Hey guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make really fluffy slime. So what you'll need for this tutorial is you're gonna need some Elmer's glue. It can be, I got the clear glue, but it can also be white. It doesn't have to be clear, but it can be. Food coloring. I mean, it doesn't have to be, but you know, I like mine to be colors. A small or big bowl. I just got a little red one. It's darker than it looks on camera. Shaving cream, not gel. You're gonna need this body powder. Find it at CVS. Or you can use baby powder. And you're also going to need borax. I don't know if that's sideways or not, but borax. It doesn't have to be this kind, but mine is. Oh gosh, really bad camera. Okay. So let's get started. So first, and you'll need warm water in a different cup. So first of all, you're gonna get a cup. I already made it, but you're gonna put warm water in it. You put warm water in this, and then you mix borax in with the thing until it dissolves, and then you set it aside. Let me know when you're done with that. Okay, just and then you take your little red bowl or whatever you're using, and so then you're gonna put shaving cream in there, and you are just gonna put some. Yeah, my shaving cream's running out, so it should be about half, maybe, the bowl. It doesn't really matter. Just don't put too much to where it maybe overflows a little bit. And then you're gonna take your glue, Elmer's glue, and put it in the bowl. And if I didn't already say, you're gonna need 2 spoons, one for the borax water, that's what I'm calling it, and one to mix with. And then you're gonna also need like a plastic bag or something. And then you can also have a snack. I need a snack. I already got this snack. Okay, so we can go ahead. I like to twist off the top, like take the top off to do it, because it's just easier. You don't want too much. You can put a little bit at a time, but I've done this before, like a little bit at a time, then see how that works, but I've done this before, so I can just go ahead and put it in. But you don't need too much, but you need so then you can, put your food coloring in after you mix the glue and the shaving cream together. Then it should be this thick consistency. And then you take yours. You take your food coloring. I'm using mint green because I want to. Because I'm amazing. Okay. I'm gonna make mint green. If you would like to make it, you put some green and yellow. You need about 9 drops of green and 3 drops of yellow. So go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, it kind of just looks like that. And then, you have to mix in all the white and get the white on your spoon off. And kind of like roll it in a ball. Like, you don't have to do that, but then you kind of just. Okay. And then you are going, put all the stuff away that you've already used. And then you're going to take your body or baby powder, whichever one you're using. And you're going to put not too much because the smell is really strong and you don't want to get it everywhere. Not too much of your body or baby powder, but you just pour it and then do one squeeze. And look about like that. And here, let me mix it. And then you have to mix it. If you think you need more, go ahead and add more. I think I'm going to use a little bit more. Alright, so after you've added the borax, you're going to add a pinch, the baby powder. You're going to add a pinch of borax, not too much, but a pinch of borax. You're going to mix that because the borax makes it come up from the thing, and you don't want to add more than a pinch or else it won't work. And then you're going to take your borax water. You're going to take your borax water and you're going to put 1 spoonful of the borax water. You're going to mix until you got, you don't want to add too much, maybe 2 spoonfuls. And that should be enough for your slime. It depends how much you're making. But you do that until it should be sticky and stuff. Then when it's sticky and in a ball, add another one until it kind of comes up. Do you get that? Anyway, I don't know if that makes any sense, but it kind of comes up off this. You're going to get your hands dirty in this situation. But then you take your slime and you kind of mess with it a little bit. And again, you don't have to make it. And you can dip it in your borax water if you need it, if it's too sticky. Or put more baby powder on it. Mine was way too sticky. But I made it better. Looks amazing. But now it doesn't stick. Watch this finger. Okay. Keep watching the finger. Watch the finger. You can keep watching the finger if you want to. Anyway, so once you got that, you should take your container. Okay, so oh, by the way, I'm amazing. So, for all those losers out there, I'm sorry that I'm so amazing. I'm sorry, I'm not calling you guys losers. I'm calling you guys not as awesome as me. Alright, I'm sorry. But I am amazing. Okay, so your hands might be dirty, but they're the process. I'm just kind of rubbing them together. Anyway, so from that, you might not get everything from the bowl. So you could scrape the bowl. And if you are good at making slime or good at cooking, this would be a good thing for you. But if you're not good at any of those, then I suggest not doing this. But you can if you want to. I would not suggest it. Because people that aren't really good at cooking and stuff aren't that great at making slime. So you can kind of scrape the bowl. Oops. And then kind of open the bag. Oh no. Okay. Oh, sorry, the spoon's in the camera. And then close it. Then you're gonna need to wash your hands. 1 second, guys. Hold on. I'm back. My hands are nice and clean now. So thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I enjoyed doing it. I hope you have as much fun as I did. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you the ingredients one more time, just so you can write them down. Got these 2 ingredients. This is food coloring. This is powder. I'd recommend, again, body powder or baby powder. Shaving cream. Green. Elmer's glue, clear or, doesn't have to be. Borax. And warm water. Thank you for watching this video. Again, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Just kidding. Oh, by the way, I'm awesome. Okay. Bye. Oh, my favorite part of this video was being awesome. There's still a little bit of slime on my finger. You can see. Okay. Bye.